Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Audacity versus DaVinci Resolve and figure out which is best for audio post-production in 2025. If you're editing podcasts, videos, or music tracks, this guide will help you choose the right tool. Audacity is free, open source, and beginner friendly. It's great for basic recording, trimming, and applying effects. If you're editing podcasts or simple audio, it gets the job done, but it lacks advanced multi-track mixing, automation, and integration with video projects. DaVinci Resolve, on the other hand, is primarily a video editor with a professional-grade audio suite called Fairlight built in. It offers multi-track editing, mixing, noise reduction, and advanced effects. It's perfect for creators who need precise audio control alongside video post-production. The difference is clear. Audacity is best for simple audio tasks, while DaVinci Resolve is for professional post-production and integrated video workflows. So that's Audacity versus DaVinci Resolve in 2025. If you need a free, simple audio editor, Audacity works. But if you're producing high quality audio for videos or music, DaVinci Resolve is the better choice. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.